So, softwares we're going to be needing for this course. Now, the first software we're needing is command prompt or command or terminal if you're using MacBook. Now, for Windows, click on the Windows button, then scroll down, right? Scroll down to System, Windows Systems. Now, under Windows System, you can see right here. Click on it. You're going to see command prompt. Now, command prompt is one of the softwares you're going to be using in the course of this training. So another software we're going to be needing is Visual Studio Code. Now, open your Google Chrome browser, right, or any browser you're using on your computer, just as I'm going to do now in a minute. Now, search for Visual Studio Code. Okay, this first website you're going to see here, click on it to take you to Visual Studio Code's website. Now, we need to go to the download section so I can download this particular software. Now, depending on the kind of computer you're using for this course, we have Mac, we have Windows, we have Linux. But for us, we are going to be using Windows, so we're going to download the Windows version of this particular software. So, if you're using Mac, you can download for Mac OS. If you're using for Windows, you can download for Mac or for Linux, you can use for Linux. So, click on the Windows download button, and now the software is going to download for us. Now, if it doesn't start automatically, you can click on this link to try the download. If you check your download, the download icon on your browser, you can see that the software can download. So I'm going to fast forward this because of time. So it's finished downloading. And to run it, we're going to click on it to run this particular soft installer file we just downloaded. Click on it. Now, once you click on it, it's going to open the installation wizard for us to install the software on our computer. Now, click on agree, accept, agreement, next. We're going to use all the default settings, next, install. Then it's going to run for a while, as fast as it is because of time. So when you finish downloading it, you can click on finish. When you finish installing, you can click on finish to run the software. It's going to run for you on your system. So we are done with this for now. Click on finish. Now the next software we're going to be needing is Node.js. Now go to your Google Chrome browser again, any browser you're using, and search for Node.js, and that's the website there. Click on it. Now we're going to click on get Node.js because we actually want to download it. Click on get Node.js. Now scroll down. We're going to scroll down. Since I'm using Windows, it's going to show us Windows automatically. If you're using MacBook, it's going to show you MacBook. So scroll down and click on this Windows installer here. It's going to download the installer file for us. Now I've already fast forwarded the installation process because of time, but be assured that it will take a while for you to download the Node.js installer file. Now once the installer file is complete, it's completely downloaded, right? Just 2 minutes for it to round up downloading it. Now once it's completely downloaded, click on the file to install it. Click on this installer file just downloaded in Node.js to install it. Because the version we're using the stable version is 22.18. Click on it to run it. That the installation wizard runs up. We're using all the default settings. Click on next, accept agreement, next, everything default, next, and just install. So it's going to take a while as well for it to install, right? But I fast forwarded because of time. So it's going to just finish up now. So our file has been downloaded. Our Node.js installer file has been downloaded. Click on finish. Now the next thing we want to do now, I want to confirm if it's downloaded and installed correctly on our computer. So click on finish. Now we're going to open command prompt. Remember I showed that open command prompt earlier. You go to your Windows button, right, and search for command prompt, or just click on the scroll down to this thing. Now type a Node.js, right? Sorry, Node V on your command prompt to check if Node is installed correctly on your system. Oh, sorry, that's an error. Made a mistake. Now the correct command is Node-V. So you're going to see in a minute here, Node-V. All right. Now this shows us the version of the Node.js we are using. You can see it's already installed on the computer. We also need to check for if npm installed correctly on the system. Now npm came with the Node.js we installed. Now click type npm-v as well on your computer to see if it's installed on your system, as we're going to do in a minute. Type npm-v. Now it's going to show the version of npm installed. You can see we installed npm. This is the current version of npm. So this is all the software you need to install for us to start coding our React Native apps. So see you in the next class.